Have you ever seen shirts like this and wondered how people design shirts like that? They use a design style called halftones. I know it looks hard, but I promise you it's not. You can make them in just about any design software. Most people use Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, but you can also make them in mobile apps like Procreate and Pocket Procreate. You can use halftones on any type of drawing or design, but you can also use them on just photos you took. To convert an image to a halftone, it's the same for just about any platform. Convert the image to grayscale. You can do this by turning the saturation all the way down or by applying a black and white filter. Seeing the values of an image is crucial for having a successful halftone design. The most important step in the process of creating halftones is adjusting the contrast. The details and values need to be clear to have a successful halftone design. You can do this in curves, just play around with the light and dark values until you can clearly distinguish highlights and shadows. Now it's time to add the halftone filter. This will generate a series of tiny dots throughout your image. Play around with the distance and the frequency until it looks good. To apply the halftone filter, here are the steps for each software. To show you just how important adjusting the contrast is in a halftone design, here's an example of a halftone design with the contrast adjusted, and here's an example of a halftone design without. Now you know how to make halftones. Don't be afraid to play around and experiment with halftones and incorporating them into your t-shirt designs.